To our YouTube channel, How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to use free switch. Let's begin. Here in this Candy Crush, you need to know complete certain levels, then only you get this free switch. I've completed the level, then tap on next. In this you can use free switch. Keep on playing whenever required. You can free switch. How to use free switch is by tapping on this hand icon over there at the bottom. You can see, tap on it and tap on it. Like this, you have a free switch. Again, you can use it over here. Tap on it like this. There you go, you have got another free switch as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.